Hey everyone, that's from Veryfi here again to help with your technical implementation and getting started with the API. So you'll remember from our last video, this is our dashboard homepage. In order to grab your keys, come down here to the bottom left and you'll be able to see your client ID, client secret, username, and API key. Make sure to keep these secure. Here's our verified documentation and let's go ahead and take a look. Here we'll have the request parameters with the necessary fields along with the response. These values will help you get familiar with the API and let you know what to expect. And if you want to go ahead and test the API out, come to our interactive API here. So upon entering the interactive API and logging in a different browser, you're able to hit the set API keys automatically and be able to use the interactive API. So for example, enter a document ID and give that a try. There we go, we're able to see the JSON response through the dashboard, also as if it would come through the API. I would also like to bring your attention to the Veryfi status page where you can see that we have a near perfect API uptime. Our GitHub repository compares sample software development kits and code to help your projects get started in popular languages and frameworks.